Hi guys, welcome to the video, and this is number 2 video. This is a different video, and today, sorry, this from the last video. Sorry, I did not clear this up all the way. Today we're going to be reviewing some things I got from Target, and this one's from Tuesday morning. Let me take this off. Okay, so our first thing is, let's review this beautiful diary. Has no lock on it, but you can hide it. I mean, it's easy. So, how you're going to open it is you're going to take this unicorn side first, then the second side, and it just looks like a pink basis. But then you open it, and there's like all this paper everywhere, so you could just write in here forever. Not sponsored, by the way. I think this is such a great thing, and it was a great diary or booklet. You can write about your day when you're older, and this was only $3, so I think it was really good. I think it was worth it. So now it's time to see if this Frankenstein doll is worth it. Frankie, I love Frankie. She's one of my favorite. She's my favorite monster. Hi, doll. So hopefully I can get her out easily. Who doesn't want to get out a Barbie doll easily? This is a lot of trash. Here, I'm just going to put the trash down here. Last time was a pain in the trash. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to start with her feet and cut, and then go back. I hate how these are always connected to their head. I guess I'm just ripping it. So here is our Frankenstein or Frankie doll. Right here she is a sleeper because she got a little night thing. So when she wants to go to sleep, she can go to sleep. So here she is. And she got blue hair. She's really pretty. And yeah, she's like really skinny, and I love the blue on her. So yeah, I just wanted to do that. And I also got these at Big Lots. These nails, and I'll put them on in a little bit. But here is Frankie. I think she looks so good. So thank you guys for watching this part 2 video of toy opening. I love you guys. Bye.